Alright everyone, welcome. Today we're trying the Knockout Weed and Grass Killer Fast Acting Concentrate. So yeah man, love sunflowers. I got a little area in front of the shed that I have a problem with bent grass coming up. I noticed that a few years ago, maybe 2-3 years ago, and I tried Tenacity. I want to say a couple of times those first 2 years, and it seemed to take care of it. And it's usually on the same spot. We have to change a few things this year, so I decided to try Knockout. Let's see if we can knock it out this time. Alright, so the concentration is, I'm not sure if that's gonna focus, but it's glyphosate and salt, whatever that is. It's 18%. I'm not sure, that kills me. Other ingredients, so I'm pretty sure it has soap in it because it kind of looks foamy. It says to use 6 ounces per gallon per 300 square feet. Apply evenly over the treatment area. The soil is dry. To water 2 to 3 days before. If green patches remain after 7 days, reapply. And wait 3 days from last application to replant, seed, and sod. So that'll be perfect. Let's try it out. I gotta suit up. Okay, we're back. Suit up. Oh, that was right there. Knockout. We're gonna knock it out. I got a gallon, and first thing we're gonna do here, this is only for Roundup. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Add some markings. It's right in there. I'm not sure if it's gonna show it, but I'll shake this stuff up. It doesn't say to add surfactant, so I'm not gonna do it. The stuff kind of looks soapy, maybe. It's got some bubbles in it. It's 4. And we'll do 2 more. Right there. Rinse this up. Okay. Fill her up. Alright, give it a good shake. I'm starting over there and walking back. Got about an hour, but over here is definitely yellow-ish. Yeah, on the camera is showing much better. This is lighter. Well, I got some time, so that's why I kind of want to start this thing earlier. We have about 24 hours. It's pretty much fried, which is good. Looks pretty good now. We'll wait a few more. I don't think we need to. We might not have to reapply. I guess that's tall fast food coming out there. Looks pretty fried. I believe it's coming from here. This little bunch. There's this bunch over here. Alright guys, 48 hours. Still see a little green, but I think we got her. It's all over here, the majority. I might have went a little crazier, but it is what it is. I like the stuff, cheap. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. The stuff is great. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.